Look at what just showed up on my front porch. The tube step bars to my Ford Bronco. Is it just me, or does everybody love it when a package gets delivered to their house? It's almost like receiving a Christmas gift, except in February in this case. Well, let's get it unboxed and see what we got. Okay, so here it is. This is what we have. It's not that heavy actually, but it still feels pretty robust. This bracket here goes toward the front of the vehicle, which means I'm holding the driver's side step. It's a pretty good looking item. It has these grips in here for traction, as well as the word Bronco embossed across the middle. The instructions are pretty straightforward since there are only 4 bolts per step. Even though when I first opened them, I thought I bought the wrong tube step because this 2-door Bronco is X'd out. But all they're saying is this C bracket here does not apply to the 2-door. This is for the 4-door only. But enough talk. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. Okay, she's all done. Now it's time for the big reveal. So what do you guys think? I like it, but if I had one complaint, it would be that I don't like how you can still see the bottom of the frame. There was a version on Amazon that had a decorative cover for that, but the reviews were kind of low, so I didn't want to chance it. The rock rails look better, but I really wanted the tube step. The next mod I want to do is find a soft top. I have no idea why Ford didn't make a soft top for the 2-door. I love how the hardtop looks, but I'm not trying to take that big thing on and off all summer. I really like the best top soft top with its fastback design, but I don't like the fact that the top sits on top of the roll bar when retracted. I'm going to hold off until someone makes one that folds all the way down to the spare tire, like the factory one on the 4-door does. Well, that's all I have for now, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next video.